Today, we're talking about why so many people feel bloated, uncomfortable after eating, tired, or like their body just feels off, and what your gut has to do with it. So, if my stomach is upset all the time, does that mean there's something wrong with my gut? Sometimes, yes. Think of your gut like a garden. You need lots of good plants growing there, but stress, poor sleep, sugar, processed food, antibiotics, and even getting older can allow the bad weeds to take over. So then what happens? When there are too many weeds, people can start feeling bloated, uncomfortable, sluggish, or just not like themselves. So, what exactly is PB Restore? PB Restore is like sending a whole garden team into your gut. It doesn't only add good bacteria, it also feeds the good bacteria, supports what they do, and helps clear out some of the unwanted bacteria. Wait, how? It has four things working together. Prebiotics, that's a food for the good bacteria. Probiotics, the good bacteria themselves. Postbiotics, the helpful things those bacteria make. And bacteriophages, tiny helpers that target some of the unwanted bacteria. So instead of only planting flowers, you're also watering them, helping them grow, and pulling out some of the weeds. Bacterio... What? Bacteriophages. Big word, simple job. Think of them like tiny gardeners that go after the bad weeds in your gut while leaving the good plants alone. So PB Restore doesn't just add good bacteria. Exactly. It helps make more room for the good bacteria to grow too. But aren't all probiotics the same? Not really. Many probiotics never survive your stomach acid. PB Restore uses a special delayed release capsule so the ingredients are protected and have a better chance of getting where they need to go. So it's not just what's inside it, it's also how it gets delivered. Exactly. What might people notice when they start taking it? Everyone is different, but many people say they feel less bloated, more regular, more comfortable after eating, less heavy or sluggish, better overall gut balance. And because your gut affects so much in your body, some people also notice better energy and feeling more like themselves again. What if my stomach feels different in the first week? That can be normal. As your gut adjusts, some people notice temporary changes in the beginning. It's your body adapting while the good bacteria settle in. If your gut has been struggling, sometimes your body doesn't need another quick fix. Sometimes it needs the right support. PB Restore helps restore balance from the inside. So basically, happy gut, happy body. Exactly.